The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your 2015 Ford Kuga indicates that the car's computer, known as the ECU, cannot communicate with one or more tire pressure sensors. This system relies on tire pressure sensors, or TPMS, located inside each tire. These sensors constantly monitor pressure and temperature, sending data wirelessly to the vehicle's computer. Each sensor is embedded in the tire's valve stem and operates on a small battery that typically lasts 5 to 7 years before needing replacement. Common causes of the error include dead sensor batteries, which deplete over time, or faulty wiring and corrosion that interrupt the wireless signal. Ignoring this error can lead to underinflated tires, which increases fuel consumption and raises the risk of accidents due to reduced traction and stability. Fixing the Tyre Sensors Not Detected error often involves relearning or reprogramming the sensors. Relearning, or training, teaches the system to recognize the existing sensor IDs. Programming involves assigning new IDs, usually after replacing a sensor. You'll likely need a TPMS diagnostic tool like an Autel or launch scanner that supports Ford protocols, or ForScan software with an OBD2 adapter for your computer. The process usually involves checking for diagnostic trouble codes, initiating relearn mode through your Kuga's settings using steering wheel buttons or specific brake pedal sequences, and then driving the vehicle to complete the process. Keep in mind that Ford service bulletins recommend sensor battery replacement every 6 years. If DIY seems daunting, a professional mechanic can quickly diagnose and resolve the issue.